What up guys, this is Kelvin and welcome back to my channel where we discuss financial wellness, mindset therapy, and real estate. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the transportation industry's biggest security blankets, freight factoring. If you have a trucking business and you're in need of cash flow that you can count on, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. First and foremost, shout out to all of my loyal subscribers. I appreciate y'all for always tuning in and being ever so patient as I work through the kinks of being a full-time entrepreneur and also making content for you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you do me a favor and subscribe to make sure that you stay locked in whenever I drop a new video, because I'm always here to help and give you guys as much helpful information as possible. I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. If you still need further guidance in reference to building and establishing business credit for funding and more, you can still click the link in the description below to schedule your one-on-one business credit coaching session with me so that I can help you lay out that blueprint for success and figure out exactly what it's gonna take to get you across that finish line. Now, today's video is actually sponsored by my good friends at Nova Shield. I know I can't be the only guy being constantly berated by all of these phishing attempts, phishing emails, phishing text messages. For those of you who may not know what phishing is, it's whenever someone sends you an email or a text message pretending to be someone you know or pretending to be a different company than they actually are. If you click that link, they got you.
There's always a way in.
They steal your personal information and sell it on the dark web, which is no fun. If you've ever seen somebody in your family or even a friend have their IG account hacked or your Facebook account hacked, it's because they most likely put in their password on some shady website or unfortunately fell victim to a phishing attempt, whether it be text message or email.
I love to hack.
If only there was a way to help protect your personal information against these phishing attempts. Well, that's where Nova Shield comes into play. Nova Shield is an anti-phishing app only for iPhones that helps protect your data and acts as your personal bodyguard in this metaverse we all live in. It's a lightweight mobile iOS extension that you can add to your web browser that protects your phone from all types of hacking attempts, whether it be phishing or malware, so that you can finally have the peace of mind when you're browsing on your phone. Listen guys, we all know how difficult it can be to distinguish the difference between a real text message from your bank or one that's pretending to be a text message from your bank or friends or family for that matter. But the good thing is with Nova Shield, not only can you protect yourself, but you can protect your friends, your family, and your entire team. And all of this can be done with 3 simple steps. The first step is to go ahead and download the Nova Shield app and start your free trial. The second step is to go ahead and follow the simple steps to add the web browser extension in under 10 seconds. And then third and finally, say it with me, woosah. You can continue to browse as usual on your phone, except this time you can do so with confidence knowing that you're protected. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download the Nova Shield app. There's a special link down below in the description so that you can make sure you get that 7-day free trial. All right, guys, now let's jump right into it. What is freight factoring? Simply put, factoring allows a business to obtain immediate capital or money based on future income. Yes, that means you can get money now based on income that will show up on either a business statement or accounts receivable, thus helping trucking companies grow and thrive. There are thousands of trucking companies that trust eCapital to be their one-stop shop for improving the most essential parts of their freight operations, making sure all of their funding needs are covered, getting paid fast like meow, all while getting major discounts to help boost their bottom line. Now, full disclaimer, with freight factoring, there are a few exceptions based on the following verticals: hazardous materials, livestock, auto hauler, aggregate, hotshot, sprinter van, and box truck / straight trucks. Why would an owner operator use freight factoring? Well, there's a few reasons. Again, factoring addresses an immediate need for cash flow to take care of your daily operations, whether it be fuel or other unexpected expenses. It's definitely much faster than waiting for your broker to pay you. There's even a feature that we're going to talk about later on in this video that will allow you to get split-second transfers to your bank account, which most importantly allows you to get back on the road, with eCapital providing the financial means needed to accept additional jobs and maximize your loaded miles. Factoring can also eliminate the time and expense of managing accounts receivable and collections, which makes for a great funding option for when cash is tight. Not to mention, eCapital definitely offers some great back office support, so no worries there. If you need help, they'll always be there to help you. eCapital Corp, which was founded back in 2006, is committed to helping small businesses in the United States, Canada, and all over the UK. Factoring with eCapital gives you access to 4 different products to help manage your money. And these products are broken up into 4 core pillars: extra money, instant money, faster money, and finally, easy money. Now, when I say extra money, I'm actually referencing eCapital's business line of credit. Now, with this line of credit, one thing I love about it is the fact that it's the only automatic pre-approved line of credit, which is commonly used to cover bills, repairs, unexpected expenses, or even new opportunities that you want to take advantage of. You're automatically approved the moment you open your eCapital account. You see, you're automatically approved the moment you open your transportation factoring account with eCapital, granting you up to $2,500 per truck. Next, we have instant money, which is what we call eCapital's InstaPay. Now, with InstaPay, you get 24/7 split-second transfers to your bank account, and that does include after hours, holidays, and weekends. This is the fastest and cheapest way to transfer your money to your account. And the only cost to do so is just $10 per transfer. Next, we have faster money. Now, the faster money that we're talking about is everybody's favorite, which is the Visa commercial credit card. Yes, there's a business credit card that you easily qualify for when you're set up with eCapital. This Visa card allows you to send drivers money instantly, again, 24/7 around the clock, immediately access money wherever Visa cards are accepted, including ATMs. It works just like a debit card, even though it's a credit card. The reason I say that is because it's linked to the funds that are in your eCapital account. And eCapital gives you an unlimited number of credit cards that you can distribute to all of your employees and drivers. And of course, they make it pretty easy for you to track all of the transactions. And most importantly, there are no fees. When I say no fees, I mean no annual fees and no interest rates. Yeah, you heard that right. No interest rates whatsoever. Then lastly, remember I was talking about the easy money? Well, this is what I mean by easy money. They have a product called eCapital Connect. And this is an easy to use client portal that allows you to track, manage, and transfer all funds in one place, one central location. This is also safe and secure because remember earlier in the video, we were talking about phishing attempts and hacking. You don't have to worry about that with this portal. And essentially the reason why they call this easy money is it gives you 24 access control of your accounts, allowing you to control how and when funds are used via the credit cards and any other features. And we're talking clear and concise visibility into every single transaction with real-time reporting, which of course is super important at the end of the year when it's time to tally up all of your expenses during tax time. All right, guys, now I'm about to pull up the website and show you some of the additional features that eCredible offers. So the first thing you see right here is they actually have a 5-star dispatch tool, right? That's really important because it helps you manage all aspects of the trucking and also your brokerage business if you have one. They also have a 5-star load board. All right. So this load board, of course, will help you have high paying and find high paying loads with automatic built-in credit checks, which is major, as you guys know. I mean, it can be hard to find those reputable shippers and brokers. So this will help you find that. Everything that you find here will be tried and true. Next, this is one of my favorite things. You do get fuel discounts. They have a fuel discount program that helps you save monthly. When you're getting diesel, you never want to pay full price for diesel. So this will allow you to have discounts at over 16,000 locations. Of course, they have back office support at no additional cost. I mentioned it earlier, but I didn't mention the fact that there is no additional cost. And most importantly, guys, there is a 90-day free trial. So you cannot go wrong. What other factoring company allows you to use them for 3 months, then allows you to back out if you feel like it's not the right fit for you? So this, my friends, is a true testament to how confident eCapital is that you will be happy with their services. Now, lastly, I want to go over what some of you may be thinking about. Like, Kelvin, you gave us all this information, but you didn't really tell us what the requirements are. But the reason why is because there are not many requirements. Like, believe it or not, it's not hard to begin factoring because it's based on the business that you are or aren't doing, right? I do want to point out that there are no financial statements required, right? No financial statements required. Also, no tax returns. So there's no income documents whatsoever that are required for you to provide in order to get approved. And then lastly, there's minimal credit score requirements. As long as your credit isn't in the 300s or low 400s, you should be fine. There's minimal credit score requirements, unlike a bank loan. Now, in order to get a business bank loan, regardless of whether or not you have business credit established, most of the time, like 9 times out of 10, they will check your credit and expect you to have at least decent credit. It's not the case here. Now, I wrote down some frequently asked questions. The number one question that most people ask is, how long are these contracts? Well, the contracts are going to be a minimum 1 year. So that's 12-month contracts or more. But the shortest contract you can have with eCapital is a year, which I find to be very suitable for this line of work. Next, what is the interest rates per invoice? Common question. That honestly depends on your revenue. Like the prospect's revenue, aka you, when you apply, they are going to take into consideration, what receivables you have. Like, what is the strength of your business? And that, my friends, will determine what your interest rate is per invoice. Next, what is the application fee? There is no application fee. Remember, I said there's no application fee when you get signed up, so don't worry about that. And then last and finally, the fourth most commonly asked question is, do they provide 100% factoring? And is 100% factoring a requirement? Like, can you pick and choose which invoices to be factored? And the answer to that question is, now they prefer that their clients do 100% factoring. Now, keyword is prefer. So you aren't required to factor 100% of all of your invoices, but they do, like when you sign up with them and you make that agreement, they want, keyword want and prefer, you to do 100% factoring, but it's not a mandatory requirement. So if you guys are interested in taking advantage of eCapital factoring so that you can have that additional funding option versus waiting a long time to get paid, to take advantage of this capital through line of credit, through a Visa commercial credit card, aka Biz credit card, then go ahead and click the link down in the description below, and I'll go ahead and spin one up right up there so you guys can take advantage of that link that, again, will give you that promotion. One last thing I want to tell you is eCapital isn't just eCapital, right? So they are actually a part of a much larger branch of financing companies. Don't get me wrong, guys. This is not just for transportation and freight factoring. eCapital serves a very large and broad set of industries. I just wanted to bring this video to you guys and let you truckers know about what eCapital can do for you, because hey, I mean, we all need to take advantage of every resource that we can to maximize these loads, get back on the road, and make more moolah. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video and you found anything in this video even remotely helpful, please do your boy a favor, show me some love, drop a like and comment to let me know whether you've used any factoring companies. If so, what is your experience using factoring companies? And if you've ever used eCapital or you've signed up and you've been with them for a couple of weeks or a couple of months, please, man, do us all a favor. Give us some information. Let us know your experience down in the comment below. And as always, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. You boys stay good, and thanks for watching.